know we're moving fast, and some say we won't last, but I will be alright as long as I know I'm with you. Oh, forever summer high, I know that we'll be fine. Letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and nice winds, never keeping track of time. Sun is skin.
Welcome to the vlog. My hair is a little bit. Your hair is beautiful. It's a little bit.
It's beautiful.
I had a little trouble in tinting class today. We are.
Pink.
A little bit kind of pink shaded.
I think it's pretty, but I got a lot of pink in my hair, so maybe it's just me. Do I go here?
Keep going.
Okay.
We are going shopping today because
I know they're shocked.
I know. Going to Joann's.
Shocked.
And you are going to town at Westgate Crossing. So we were gonna go to the beach, but
It's inclement weather.
Inclement weather.
If that's even the word.
Actually, not right now though.
This morning it
look,
was
the
bad.
sun is almost shining, but it looks cloudy over there.
Yeah.
It's supposed to rain all week. Yes, all week.
It did.
But hopefully,
I brought bad weather with me.
hopefully it'll clear up by the end of the week. We can do all our outdoor activities, but
Which way do I go?
you'll see it when you turn around the corner. Right.
All right.
Oink, oink, oink.
That clicking thing like goes with music, like.
We're gonna shop at Joann's. We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby. We're gonna eat lunch. Well, we'll probably eat lunch after this. $4.99.
Are you out of your mind?
For sure. Should we get this one? Let's get one of these tall guys. Yeah. What you say?
Bad luck, bad day. What should I do?
I didn't do nothing besides tell you how to get here.
Bad luck, bad day. What should I do?
What'd you find?
Bad luck, bad day. What should I do?
Good job. Good job, sister. Okay, put it back. Let it go. Come on. What does it smell like? So good. Fuji. We are in the emergency room for Starly. She's not feeling well. So. So we left the hospital. Everything's okay. And now we're gonna eat at Subway.
You know what? I'm gonna buy you a new shirt that
Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog.
It is bright for it being overcast.
We're at Sam's.
Whoop whoop.
Hey guys. So we went grocery shopping. Dang, I parked all crooked myself. Oh well. Did you see how crooked I parked? Alright. how crooked I parked. It's okay because they painted the lines crooked.
They did. Absolutely.
What? Let me lock the door. I'm gonna go get my nails done.
He's so ticklish.
Beautiful job. Ever see that TikTok of that man? Like he was getting his done and he was like cracking up laughing. There's a guy who was getting his feet done and he was just like, hee 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 hee. Journey looks so pretty. Is this what you've been waiting for? You can't see me. There we go. So this is what I got. Won't focus. Hello. So these are my natural nails. Won't focus. So we're making some fry bread. We got some meat for our Indian tacos.
If we don't
Indian tacos?
Yeah. I really do look forward to this every time I'm here. It's so good.
For your sister?
Oh, she hopping in.
Think so.
My phone.
Get in the net.
Careful, Mom. Let me take this.
Gotta do it.
Oh my gosh. Please.
Bend over and pick them up.
Sorry about the hair. I went swimming with Jern. We stayed in the pool for a very long time and then I just took a shower and then my hair was up in the towel and then I just didn't comb it or nothing. So, but it is 10 o'clock. I went ahead and set everything up to stitch one out. I forgot that I had to ship one tomorrow. I was in the middle of editing a vlog. Danny went to bed probably less than, 20 or so minutes ago. She's actually probably not asleep yet, but I had to order bags off Amazon and I just went with these ones because it was 100 and they had black or white. I chose black just because, I don't know. But they were the cheapest ones. They were $7.45. I might actually see if they have any, still have them, because you know, $7.45 for 100 is pretty good. And anywhere you can save money, especially now, because, you know, everything is just so slow. You have good weeks and bad weeks, and you know. So I'm just checking. They are still $7.45. So I don't know if you can see for 100. So I think I'll probably go ahead and order another, you know, because I'm saving money. Anyway, so I am going to embroider out this one shirt. I totally forgot about it until I was editing, and I was like, there's a shirt that has to ship out. Tomorrow's Wednesday. And then, so tomorrow's the 21st, and then I have 1 or 2 due to ship out the 22nd or 23rd. I don't remember. I know one's ribbon trim. This one right here, and they just need it by July 4th, which they will get it. But I think what I'll do is tomorrow evening, we were gonna go live, so if Danny wants to go live, if we go live like down here, I can go ahead and work on, you know, stitching it out, the shirt out, and then ribbon trim, and we can be live at the same time. Anyway, I did go, so last night I went ahead and took my acrylic nails off. It was so hard. It took me probably an hour and a half of soaking it in acetone to try to get them off. I even told the lady, I was like, you don't know how long it took me. She was like, how long? I was like an hour and a half. She was like, yeah, they're hard to get off. So I went ahead and soaked them off like she asked me to, or suggested. She didn't ask me to. She suggested that next time I just, because my nails were as long as my acrylic nails, to, you know, soak them off and then go and have. So I went ahead, soaked them off. All this morning I was afraid I was going to break a nail, so I was trying to be very careful because they were so thin. And now I just got my real nails with dip. So I went with this color because I kind of wanted, I was thinking of going with more of a nude-ish color. I said nude pinky color, and I think this is kind of, you know, kind of a mauve-y. My husband called it over 60 mauve. He said people over 60 use this color. I'm like, it's pretty. I don't care what you think. I don't care what you think. I like it. So I do like them. But now I'm going to work on the shirt, get it done. So the fabrics I bought at Joann's. So let me backtrack. So yesterday's vlog was very choppy, and it just got choppy at the end. So what happened was we were having a girls' day. We were gonna go shopping, and we went to Joann's, we went out to lunch, and after lunch we went to Hobby Lobby. And in Hobby Lobby, Sterling started to get a tummy ache again, and you know, anyway, we did end up taking her to the ER. We've been dealing with her issues for a while, and I think having gone to the ER now, it kind of, you know, because you're like, is there something else wrong with her? Does she have something else wrong with her? Other than her anxiety, is there something else causing her stomach issues, her belly aches, her nausea, her, you know. So we took her, they did do blood tests, they checked for UTI, they, you know, checked her all out. They said everything is good, but they did refer us to a GI, so gastro, what's it called? Gastro, you know, gastro, and yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. It's like slipping my mind. Anyway, in gastroenterologist. There you go. Anyway, so they gave us a referral to a pediatric one. So it will, you know, because even that doctor was like, you know, getting her checked out and just checking, making sure that there is no more issues going on with her, and that it is just all her like phobia, and her phobia is actually what is causing her belly aches and her not to feel good, is her worrying about the phobia. Does that make sense? So yeah, so it was good to go there and get it checked out, even though it did, you know, it did take our whole afternoon, but I'm actually glad that she got a referral. So she does start her therapy next week, so we're excited about that. She has her referral just to make sure there's nothing, because I'm like, what if she does have like an ulcer from worrying and it's causing her to have all these tummy issues and tummy aches, and you know, so yeah, so we went to the ER, did that, and then on the way home we stopped at Subway and we ate, and then I think we just came home and chilled after that. I'm like, what did we do? Anyway, so today, I'm like, what? We went grocery shopping, and then I made the appointment to go get my nails done. Danny got a pedicure, and then we went and ate lunch at McDonald's, just because we knew that's something that the girls would eat, both of them. So we ate McDonald's, and then we came home, and then we made Indian tacos for dinner. So we made the fry bread, and then we were outside for a bit, and then I did end up getting in the pool with Journey, and we swam for like, I don't know, an hour or so, and yeah. But yesterday at Joann's, I did pick up this fabric, which is just a treasure map with pirates. I got 2 yards because I think it's really cute, and I want to make something piratey with it because I just think it's cute. And then I saw this one. I saw this one before. I thought about getting it, and so then this time I'm like, I'm getting it. So there is a fishing one that I already do that I'm going to revamp and then use this fabric because I just love it. So those were the only two, because I don't have a lot of money, because I'm not making a lot of money, because Etsy is so stinking slow. I know it's slow for everybody. Well, not everybody, but a lot of people have been complaining about Etsy being slow. So I know it's not just me, it's just the economy. Trying to hold on to hope that things will, you know, eventually pick up and get better. But I'm gonna go ahead and make this shirt, get this done, head to bed. We do got speech therapy tomorrow for Journey. We still want to go to the lake, so we want to go to the lake and go swimming. It's the same lake we went to like a couple of years ago. It's like on my bucket list for the summer to go back there and go swimming. And so we were going to make a day of it, pack a lunch, go there, have some fun. But it has been raining and will continue to rain all week long. But if, you know, tomorrow it does start to clear up, we will go tomorrow. If not, we'll go on Thursday. If not, we'll go on Friday. So we do plan to do that. The sliding rock thing, I don't know if we will be able to. Hopefully we will. Maybe we can go on Saturday. I don't know. But yeah. And then we got shirts. We are going to tie-dye one evening. And we do want to go back to Hobby Lobby because we didn't actually get to shop because Girlie had her little, you know, her issue going on as we got to Hobby Lobby, and we had to leave from Hobby Lobby to go to the hospital. So, yeah. So now I'm going to work on this shirt.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye guys.